near the vape station or just
Near vape station. Like right beside it.
There's a lot of Africans.
Yellow cake.
You know the vape click bar, right? There's a lot of Africans here. You know Mark Wayne High School? TN office. It's okay. You know the number 72 actually goes to Don Valley.
Don Valley, goes to Don Valley.
Yeah. I'm so glad they extended it to Don Valley. Oh, is he?
Oh, he's going in. He's going in. Going through there. We can see the LFC. We see the LFC.
Oh, let me see. Okay, okay.
It's on that side. It's on that side.
Oh, yeah, it's on that side.
Oh, yeah. Also, I am.
Shove my camera. I'm so glad I said my phone.
I just shove my camera straight up. Are you guys have like transit channel and stuff? Or do you have an Instagram? You can follow me as well. Right? I have a channel too. Right? You can follow Transit Joyride.
Yeah.
Transit Joyride. I also have my YouTube too. YouTube the Eglinton LRT before.
Thank you.
I mean, glad they opened it now. But the other day they had a accident with the cars. See, that's a big problem for me. I take H West. I was on the way. I was right across the H West.
They don't have this. Wait, is there any LFRs on the show?
It's more like a request service.
Yeah. Like on demand.
I was actually gonna apply for my I have a G license plus and it's not a person for the sake of car, it's bus transit.
I could have gotten my G license, like quick co-op. I should have. Yeah, I was a TTC co-op for like a year.
For what university?
Out of high school, program. And I used to do like the bus garages and I used to wash buses. That was long ago. I just wish I Yeah, you actually.
There's a university students in Hawaii.
Yeah.
There's a easy for summer students and university students. Would you apply that?
That's what for like common inspections and stuff like that.
Wait, what is all?
I'm studying engineering.
What's it all?
I can see that's what I'm saying. Like I quit everything. I can continue.
Where do you work?
I used to work in a grocery store. Now I'm in a warehouse. So. Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. Like if I had just continued my path, I probably would be like I'd probably be still be an employee. I didn't. That's like my biggest regret. It's calling me Buddy Durham. I brought the toolbox for no reason.
Stronger.
Actually, what time is it?
We could.
We could do both though.
We could do both.
Because Lakeshore West turns into Lakeshore East. You can just stay on the train.
Oh, Lakeshore East.
Yeah, they turn into like the inner line.
Oh, yeah. Wait, so you get up, if you're going to Durham, you get up at Main Street, right? You take the DC also, right?
Yeah, he's got to get that one train.
Oh, yeah, I took that one.
Bro. But the station I got off at was picking up.
I have friends who like a lot. I have a bunch of friends who like 5 to 6.
It's a nice complex.
That's not rare, but that's a long drive.
I think it's like, what is it, an hour?
My way out of the 7 Central
Yeah, that looks like what we should try. That's a good one. I think it like every day.
I have this on my channel.
There you go. Yeah, because that's Lake Ontario where like the
I'm actually wishing to have a easy book for
best way to get started is to do like yeah, you can get started at the entry way up and up. Like a driver. Actually, one of the best ways is to get in front of people.
That's when I'm gonna start it with driver at home. It's a small part, right?
That's what my brother's doing. My brother's in yeah, fixes street cars. Yeah, I took it on its first day.
It's better than
I also took I also took line 6 on its first day. I got that with coin.
I like the line 5 is better than line 6.
Oh yeah. Mainly because it's underground, so the weather doesn't affect it.
I heard the line 6 is just
That's where they put it. They built the entire thing above ground. They thought that the weather wasn't going to affect it.
Line 5 didn't fix. And I was saying, what the fuck does it? They should have opened it just like 5 years ago. Every year I've been reading, when's the line 5 gonna go? When's it gonna go?
Even with dreams
Yeah, I have a, you like bike riding? We have a free bike.
That's not mobile. That's not rare. It's 40 on mobile.
What's your name, buddy? Go on, okay.
Oh, 610.
If you have a...